Hi, it's Sasha from HomeDesignsAI. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the favorites and project features. Let's dive right into the favorite button. So once you finalize your design, simply click on the heart to save it as a favorite. This makes it easier to find and build on designs later, and especially if you're anything like me and have so many generations, it can be overwhelming. So I love to use this feature to organize my workspace. And the best part, our AI automatically organizes your favorite designs into 12 different categories. So if you click on the favorites button right here, you can find your favorite designs categorized into the different tools, which makes them super easy to find and access. Next, let's talk about projects. So this feature allows you to save multiple designs into one project, so you can manage all of your work in one place. Whether you're working on a personal renovation or for clients, you can access everything right here. To save a project, first head over to projects and create your project. So I'm just calling this one marble bathroom. Next, select the design that you want to add to your project, and then in the right hand corner, select the plus button. This will allow you to add the design to your project. You can add as many different designs as you want to different projects or to the same one. Projects also help you stay organized across the different design phases. It's also a great tool for professionals who need to collaborate with clients or teams. You can even add a subfolder in your project for a more detailed breakdown of your designs. By using these features, you can easily streamline your design process and manage everything in one space. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help.